everyone, hope you are all doing great. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to make a unique and crispy bread snacks. It's very easy to prepare as well as tasty. It takes 10 minutes to prepare with less ingredients, and I'm sure if you try once then you will like this recipe. Also, if you like my recipes then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation. For this recipe I took 4 breads, 1 chopped onion, chopped coriander leaves, chopped green chilies as per your taste, 1/4 cup of fried peanuts, a pinch of salt, also a pinch of black salt, and half tablespoon of butter. You can also use any other cooking oil. Now take the breads and cut into cubes or give it your desired shape. Also you can simply tear the breads. Here I will suggest to take 1 or 2 days old breads for better result, but you can also use fresh one. Here the bread cubes are ready. So now heat a pan and add the butter. You can also use any cooking oil. Then after the butter melted down, add the bread cubes. And then on high flame stir it for 2 minutes. After that on medium flame again stir it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes add the chopped onion. Add the chopped green chilli. Mix all these ingredients. Then add a pinch of salt or as per taste, and also a pinch of black salt. Then on high flame again cook it for 1 minute. After that add the chopped coriander. But remember, don't add the onion and green chilli before adding the breads, because you won't get that crispy taste of breads. It will get soggy. And in the last minute add the fried peanuts. Then mix everything well and it's ready to serve. So this is very simple and quick recipe. Try this at home and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.